morning, students. So now we are going to discuss about sorting concepts. So different types of sorting mechanisms are sorting in the sense arrange the elements in some order, whether that is in ascending order or descending order. So here these are the different types of sorting mechanisms: selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, radix sort, merge sort, and heap sort. Okay. Sort, select the minimum and place in its appropriate position. That means select the minimum one. Suppose these are the given elements. Here these all are the given elements. So from these in the first iteration, so this is the first step. So and select one element and place it in proper order. Okay, place it in proper order. Okay, now interchange these two elements. So here interchange these elements. That is here 11, here so select the minimum and place in its appropriate position by swap. Okay, now this is the minimum one. Okay, this minimum one is swapped with this 74. Okay, now the next iteration here 23. So 23 is in appropriate position. Now coming to here 36 is there. Now this 36 is placed in 74 and this here this is swapped with this 36. Okay, now this is what 42 is the minimum. So this is in proper here 38 is the minimum value. Now place it here. Swap these two elements here 42 and this is the 38. This is nothing but like this. Here okay. Now so here 2, 3, 9, 7, 1. So from these elements, first you can pick this one and interchange these two elements. So first you can check which one is the minimum. 9, 7, 2, 3, 9. Okay, this is the first iteration. So in the second iteration, first to find out the minimum. So this is the minimum value. Okay, now interchange this minimum value with this. Okay, now 2, 7, 3, 9. Sorry, so this is, and now this is the minimum value 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. Now check, this is the minimum value, it is in proper position. Next time this is the value, this is in proper position. And then the third and fourth iterations. Okay, this is the first iteration, second iteration, and third and fourth iteration. After fifth iteration, these elements are in sorted order. So now see here 10 elements are there. So interchange like this. Okay. Now here 42 and 65. These two are interchanged. And next 44 and 65. These two are interchanged. Okay, 44 and 65 interchange these two elements. And 44, 65, 74, 99. So now which one is the minimum here? Means 90. 87 is the minimum. So interchange these two elements. So after completion of this one, you can observe here 11, 23, 36, 38, 42. So these all elements are in sorted position. So this is what the um, concept of selection sort. See here, selection sort. So first index is, this is, so in the selection sort, first index is the proper value. Here, algorithm for selection sort. Sort. So this is array sorting. Here these are the elements. Okay, this create one temporary variable, and here I equal to 0, and this outer loop is repeated until all these elements are completed. Now j equal to 1. So that means first check these two elements. Okay, so if those two elements, next these two elements here 5, that means a of I greater than a of j. A of I value is this one, a of j value is this one. So these two are in proper position. Okay, so that here interchange and remove the smallest one. So now this is the smallest one, interchange these two. Again j is incremented. Now this value and remaining all these values. So that here we can find out the minimum value. That means in this position here this is a 5 and 9. Okay, now can check with j plus 1. That means this value, and the 5 greater than 6 condition failed. Now 5 greater than 10 condition. So see here in the first case, here here you can observe this is first time like this. So here I equal to 0, okay, and j equal to 1. That means these two values are checks, and 5, 9, 6, 10, 3. So now I equal to 0 means this is the 0th value, and j equal to incremented by 1 here. So now j equal to 2. So here 5, 9, 6, 10, 3 for the first time. So the next time, that means these two values, this value and this value. So these are already in proper order. This is same. So now j equal to 3. That means this value and this value. 5 greater than 10 condition becomes fail, and these all are in proper order. So now coming to this 5 greater than 3. So condition true. That means here this is the smallest one. So that these two elements are interchanging. Now this comes here and this comes here. 3, 9, 6, 10. So ultimately here 3 is the smallest one. Okay. Now after this, now inner loop is completed. Now outer loop is incremented by 1. That means for every one iteration completed, so one element is placed in proper order. That means first index. So this first index is placed in proper order. Next another one. So from this you can find out here I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. That means these two values, this value and this value. So already these two, this value I equal to 1 means this one, and this j equal to 2 this value. So these two values, so these are in proper order. So next time this value and this value, these are in proper order. So next time 6 and 5, so these are not in proper order. So that interchange these two elements. So now 5 here and 6 here. That means inner loop is completed. Now the outer loop is incremented by 1, that is 2. That means these two. But this is the first iteration, this is the second iteration, and coming to the third iteration, here these two elements are already in proper order. Now the third iteration, I becomes 2 and j becomes 3. Okay. Now these two values, this value and this value, already these two are in proper this value and this value. So condition